Hi, I am Dr. Santosh Betur. I am a senior consultant in the Department of Urology and Transplantation at Aster RV Hospital, JP Nagar, Bangalore. Today, I will talk about one of the most common problem faced by urological patients, which is renal stones or kidney stones. So, why I chose this topic? Because India being a tropical country where the temperatures are in generally higher compared to the other Western countries, the incidence of kidney stones is very high. At any point of time, we can say it's prevalent in nearly 10 to 20% of population in any particular area. Most of the kidney stones, while it is in the kidney, they remain silent. So we detect them while we do an ultrasound or scanning for some other reason, or a symptomatic patient, or the way they present to the doctors is in generally the pain. Pain can be quite intense, and usually it requires hospitalization or management in the hospital setting. The most of the oral painkillers doesn't work for the kidney stones. In case of any symptoms like pain in the abdomen, which is quite severe, associated with vomiting, and if you see any blood in the urine and difficulty in passing urine, any of these symptoms, immediately contact any nearby doctor or a urologist who is available. So once you go to a nearby doctor, the most common diagnostic test is done is an ultrasound, or in present day we do a CT scan, and in CT scan 100% that stones are diagnosed easily. Once the stones are diagnosed, usually the patients are referred to a nearby urologist, and the procedures are commonly minimally invasive procedures. Nowadays it ranges from something called extracorporeal lithotripsy, where we give a shocks to the kidney stones and they are allowed to pass through the urine by fragmentation, or we do an endoscopic procedures, which is a very minimally invasive procedures. Having said that, there is always an option of managing these kidney stones by medications. As long as the kidney stones or the ureteric stones are less than 5 mm in size, they can be easily managed with medications. My advice for anybody suffering from kidney stones is, yes, follow the simple things. Don't try to manage these things at home. Contact a doctor immediately. If anybody is suffering from any of these things which I have mentioned in my brief topic, you can contact me at Aster RV Hospital, JP Nagar, Bangalore.